Sticky Rice Stories.
Hey everybody, this is Sticky Rice Stories, presenting a series called
Draw Draw.
Draw Draw, yeah. Why do we call it Draw Draw?
Because that's what my littlest sister calls it.
That's right. It's a whole playlist on how to draw. And the first series is the whole alphabet and how to make characters out of each letter. And we are on the letter
J.
J. Alright, so first you're going to need a drawing. You need something to draw. Yeah, that's right. You're drawing ThingyDingy. You need a drawing ThingyDingy. That's what Effie called it, drawing ThingyDingy.
Pen, pencil, crayon, or marker.
That's right. And you're going to need some colors.
Pen, pencil, crayon, and marker.
That's right, baby. Okay, so let's get started. Here's the middle of the paper. Bump, bump. We're going to draw a line across. And then in the middle of this one, we're going to come all the way down and make a go like that. There. Now, this letter is going to be a little bit challenging, not so much, but we're going to make a character right out of this one. And what we're going to do to make this look really funny is we're going to start at the middle of this line and we're going to come down to the middle of this line and go like that. Okay? And then on this side, in the middle of here, we're going to make an oval that's tilted like this. There you go. Yeah, let's add some detail. We'll make some thicker black lines at the bottom and on this side too. And then we're going to make a circle inside of here and another circle inside of here. Remember, if we're going too fast,
you can slow down the radio.
Yeah, you can press pause on the video and catch up. Okay, and on here we're going to cut the circle in half and color one side. Cut the circle in half on this one and color this side. Alright, you see the character already there? And then what we're going to do is if your line it's kind of too close, I want you to extend the line a bit. Come all the way down and then join the line up here like that.
It's like a big U.
Yeah, like a big U. There you go.
That's
and then
the nose.
right underneath the nose, I want you to just draw a circle. Yeah, and then do what Poetica did. Draw a little mini circle in there and color the top part. Just like that. So he's going like this. Oh. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we're going to start on the middle of this line and draw a little line right here. And then come over here on this side and draw a line right here too. And then we're going to draw a little bit of lines underneath the eye like this. Okay?
To add it more, to make it more alive.
That's right. And then we're going to make a eyebrow, like a little bump on the top. Two little bumps right over the eye. One bump over this eye and the other bump over this eye. So he's going like this. Alright, now we are done. That was very fast. And remember, these are all very simple drawings, and drawing and doing art is meant to be a cold cup of water on a hot day. Don't let the drawing get you all flustered if it doesn't look right. Just keep drawing. The more you practice,
the better you get.
That's right. Alright, now we're going to color. Okay, so I'm going to use blue and I'm going to color the bottom part. I'll use this one. Thank you, baby. Appreciate it. Alright, we're going to color this bottom part. gonna kind of do this wisp effect where you start on one side and you lift it up as you go. Remember, hold on to these drawings because we're going to have videos that go back to these drawings and add more detail. So we get from the beginner level to the more advanced level with details, highlights, and all that good stuff. All right, let's keep on coloring. If we're going too fast, you can just press pause and catch up. You kind of just make it a wispy. You just put the marker down and lift it up when you go. And then I'm going to color in this part right here. There you go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to color this big space here. I'm going to use orange. I'm going to do that same wispy effect. Let's use this one. Let's color this side. I ran out of this orange color, so I'm just going to come in here with pink and just, you know, blend the colors in. Keep blending these markers. If the colors run out, your markers, you can just keep on using different colors and blend the colors in.
Or your pen or pencils.
That's right.
Or your pencils. Thank you. Well, we already said the outro. What I'm going to do is color a little bit more under his eye, give him some shade. And then follow this line and this one. Looking good. Whoops, kind of got out of the line, but it's okay.
Sticky rice story. I knew that blue and orange would have a good complementary color.
Yeah, which colors were those? These two?
Yeah, 7, 1.
Let's keep that like that. All right, baby, you're done. You did a great job. Thank you so much for joining us for the letter
J.
J. Y'all did a great job. Thank you so much for joining us on the How to Draw series, and we call this series Draw. Remember, every time you practice, you get
better.
And this was the letter J that we made a character out of, and you can continue doing this on your own time. And remember, everything's better when we stick together.
Family of artists creating art for family.
Yay! All right, everybody, take care, and thank you so much for hanging out with us. We really love that y'all are with us and getting better as artists and practice all the time. And we'll see you next time. All right, baby. Good job. Bye-bye.
Love you.
I have a gift, a present.
What is it?
Well, close your eyes. Are you ready?
What? You did it!
That's right. You did it as well. Yay!
Yay! Sticky rice stories. Everything's better when we stick together. A family of artists creating art for families.